a box of love. So this is a great Christmas stocking holiday gift that was actually sent to me. And what is it? It is an apron. So if you know someone who loves to cook, loves to be in the kitchen, this is a fantastic apron. As it says, cooking is my love language. Now what I like about it, it is adjustable strap. So this is the neck part, so you can because of this loop, you can go ahead and of course adjust this. With this loop, how I tie it is actually just sending this string through both and then over the first one back, so that what happens is that I can easily pull and adjust, tighten and loosen this apron. And the back is a simple string to go ahead and tie. Now the back of it is quite long, so you do have some space there. Right, so this is how it looks. I can go ahead and adjust this a little bit more so that it's a bit higher. And of course I do have the loops right here. Now the front has 3 pockets, as you can see right here. They're not too big, but there are 3 different pockets. And then of course I can go ahead and just tie this, and I still have all of this string in the back here. So perfect holiday gift for someone who loves to cook.